Introduce yourself.
I am Anshika and I am from Delhi. Currently, I am doing BBA from STN Reviews Institute of Technology and Management.
What is your hobbies?
My hobbies is reading books and watching a movie.
Are you good communicator?
Yes, I am a good communicator.
Really?
Yes, I really.
So tell me, where is your college?
My college in Patparganj in IP Extension, nearly IP Extension.
Which subject do you like most? More.
Business organization is my favorite subject in BBM
Why?
because there are something about the all about the business sectors. If you can get a job in a business in a multinational company, a business organization subject is very helpful for to guide the whatever you can do in a future.
So
What do you want in your life?
I want to become a bank manager or get a job in a multinational company.
So, why you choose?
Because my interest in business, that's why I'm choosing this.
suppose I want to sell this phone. So what can I do?
If you sell this phone, you can tell about these features and most important in this era, which is camera. If you tell about the camera like 20 pixel and all about these features of the phone, so easily you can sell this phone. For example, Apple is a very powerful company to sell their products.
Okay. So
But many features are not available. So, I want to.
You can purchase any phone. If you are interested in OnePlus, so you can buy a OnePlus phone.
My pocket is not allowed. So,
So you can there are most of the phones, their camera quality is good, but they are not there are a priceless, so you can buy this in Amazon sale. Most of the products are easily you can purchase in big billion deals.
are you coming here?
I'm coming here to get a job and my interest in business
Which
sector.
job?
To get job in accountability sector or a marketing sector.
But accountability sector is filled.
So I am also doing a marketing sector.
Marketing. Okay.
tell me, what do you know in marketing?
In marketing, I am convince the people to buy our products and tell about the features and whatever a product quality and control.
Please listen to me. Actually, you don't know. In the market, lots of the illiterate people, they don't know what is the meaning of the feature. So how you can convince them?
I convince them with a template and survey at our homes and go to home and give our product and specify the features and tell about the features and characteristics of the product.
Oh, that's great. And
People are not. If people are not satisfied your product, so how to sell?
I encourage them to use that. One time you can use it.
Many people are not encouraged in this time because many things are available. So why people purchasing you?
They can purchase our product because there are a quality control and a priceless. Because most of the discount in our business you can provide a discount. Most of the people come and buy a product.
But your product quality is more than 50.
So we
So
can control our product quality and improve the quality of a product.
Loss. I
Yes.
think.
No, not a loss, but if our product quality is good, most of the people come and buy a product. Most of the companies that control their quality control, so most of the people buy these products.
Okay.
Most of the people buying products, food and services from Amazon, Blinkit. These products are good in quality.
Okay. Your theory knowledge is good. Do you have an experience?
No, I am a fresher,
Oh. So,
but I have a knowledge.
okay, I know. And in my side, you are fixed in theory side. Tell me something about your hobbies.
My hobbies is reading stories and books and watching a movie.
Which
Are you-
stories and which type of reading books?
I am reading a books about the science, environmental studies.
Do you like?
Yes, I like it.
So, first of all, tell me, here lots of the foreigners come in our shop, our company and deals. You can deal with them.
Yes, I deal with them because they know English and I know English. I easily can talk with her.
So you can easily communicate with them.
Yes.
So tell me, what is the role of communication what is the role of confidence in communication?
Confidence is very important in communication because if your confidence is good but communication is not good, if you have confidence to speak with the people, so you can easily handle the foreigners and every people to encourage them to buy a product in our company.
But people are not satisfied in your product, so why you sell your product?
If by chance, it is not compulsory, if by chance people not buy our product because the product rate was very high, that's why they cannot afford
But
this.
yes, people cannot afford this, so why you are sell?